Hiyare Reservoir, Galle. The Hiyare Reservoir is located bordering the Udugama Forest, at a distance of about 20 kilometers from the Galle city. It is 340 feet above mean sea level and is surrounded by a catchment forest spread over 600 acres. The reservoir itself covers an area of about 55 acres. During the British period, this natural reservoir along with its catchment area had been vested with Galle Municipal Council to establish a water scheme to supply pipe-borne water to the city of Galle. The reservoir for the water scheme was designed and built in 1911 under the direction of Mr. D.J. Wimalajarendra, engineer of the Public Works Department, who later acquired fame as the father of hydroelectricity in Sri Lanka. This water scheme, which operated fully by gravitational force, had cost the Galle Municipal Council a sum of 361,000.00 rupees. It provided water to the city of Galle until 2004. The Hiyare Reservoir is the only forest reservoir owned by a municipal council in Sri Lanka.